In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your account name in Wrike. This is a quick but really useful tweak, especially if your team is rebranded, your department name has changed, or you just want your account to be easier to recognize. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and you can follow along in your own Wrike workspace. First, make sure you're logged into Wrike and you're in your main workspace view. Look toward the top right corner of the screen for your profile icon. This is usually a small circle that might show your initials or a profile picture. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This opens a small menu with different options related to your personal and account settings. From that menu, you'll see an option called Settings. Click on Settings. This will take you out of the regular project view and into the settings area where you can manage how your account is configured. Once the settings page loads, you may see several sections or tabs. Look again for settings within this area. Wrike sometimes separates personal profile settings from account-wide settings, so clicking Settings here ensures you're viewing the configuration for the entire account, not just your own user profile. Now that you're in the correct settings section, locate the account name field. This is the name that appears for your Wrike account and is typically visible to users when they switch between accounts or look at account level information. Take a moment to double check that you're editing the right account, especially if you have access to more than one. Click inside the account name field, delete the existing text if needed, and type in the new name you want to use. Try to choose something clear and descriptive, like your company name, department, or project group, so everyone in your workspace immediately understands which account they're working in. Once you've entered the new name, look for the button that says Save Changes. It's important not to skip this step. Click Save Changes to apply the update. After saving, Wrike will refresh the information, and your new account name should now be visible wherever the account name appears in the interface. And that's it. You've successfully changed your account name in Wrike. If you're working with a team, you might want to let your colleagues know about the new name, so there's no confusion the next time they log in.